morning, guys. It's H&O. What's up, you guys? It's GoDogs Phone. What you guys been up to? Anything profession? Anything exciting? Well, right now, you guys, we are just hanging out, and we're just trying to figure out where we're gonna film today. I have to remember to bring that along with me, and I'm just trying to figure out where we're gonna film, where we're gonna do some stuff. So that's the plan, probably today, like this afternoon when I get back from mom. My mom's going a little bit shopping today, so I might just wait out here while I'm waiting for my mom, because there's lots of leaves there, so I might just wait out here, you guys. So that's what I'm gonna be doing.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. It's Go Dogs for One.
Look how clean it is, you guys. It's much better than before, you guys. Woo! So right now, you guys, my mom and me are gonna go look a little bit shopping, so that's what we're doing for, see if they have toilet paper now, you guys, yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. Still no toilet paper, you guys, yes. Still no toilet paper, so, cannot find any toilet paper. It's gonna be really hard to find toilet paper, because I have some toilet paper, but, yeah, we found some, but we found one, but it was like crazy, like 17 bucks for 4. Like, that's crazy, you guys. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go inside, so I'll talk to you guys then. So right now, you guys, I am actually just making up a salad, garden salad, because I haven't had a garden salad for the longest time ever. So I'm making up garden salad, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm making some garlic salad. So I'm really excited, you guys, what we are going to do tomorrow. I'm going to film tomorrow with, there's these, probably tomorrow. Putting the bucket that I have for a secret item. So that's pretty cool and exciting. So right now, you guys, I'm just putting these things up so I can actually hang them up. Like probably one, because I don't need 2 yet, because I don't want 2 broom handles. And then put the mop bucket in the storage room. So I have a little bit more room in the closet that I just got the mop bucket from. So I have a little bit more room in there. So I don't have to worry about that. I can just clean. And then I can just put this in there. Keep all the cleaning supplies in this closet right here. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys then. See, I put my broom up there so it's easier than it doesn't get wrecked and stuff, so that's pretty cool and exciting. This is my cleaning closet now. Question, what do you put on your salad dressing? I mean, what kind of salad dressing do you guys put on your salad? Mine is poppy seed, what I have in my cupboard. So that's pretty cool and exciting. Really awesome. So that's what I'm doing, so I'll talk to you guys then. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye!